Newton Munene Jiro.
Newton.
Munene.
What do you do for a living now?
I'm a businessman.
What type of business do you engage in?
Well, trading, real estate mostly.
Sorry?
Real estate mostly.
Real estate.
Construction.
Have you ever worked for the county government?
Yes, I have.
Which one specifically? Explain
Nairobi
a little
County.
bit more and the number of the years
Nairobi County for 5 years.
between.
Until 2022, I think 2019 to 2022, about that.
Come again, between which years?
I got appointed in 2019 and I served all the way to 2022.
Won't you state the capacity of this?
I was the County Executive Committee member for ICT. I also served a bit in trade.
Sorry?
CEC, ICT, and in trade for a while.
And in trade for a while.
Yep.
I have a very simple question for you.
Okay.
During your tenure,
Yes.
did you ever engage with a company called WebTrack?
Yes, I did.
What exactly happened there?
When we came into office, we found WebTribe, which was having a revenue collection system.
A little bit slower.
My colleague, who was the one in charge of finance, brought a cab memo, and it was not very clear to us in terms of the visibility of what they were doing. So, as a cabinet, and we are 10.
Slower.
And first name, Newton,
Yes, sir.
first name.
Yes, sir.
What were you not clear about?
The visibility about the function of the system,
Which system?
the one which has been given by WebTrack.
Revenue collection system.
Yes.
You can continue.
Thank you. So my colleague brought a memo to the cabinet, and we took a decision to replace it with another service provider. As it were, we turned to the National Bank of Kenya, and that's about it.
I want you to take the court through the process of acquiring tender, if you know that is. Do you know that process?
Yes, I do.
Would you please take the court through that process of acquiring tender for delivery of services?
There is a provision where you can work with other government agencies. And that's the reason we turned to the National Bank of Kenya, who then replaced what WebTribe was doing. So that is how we ended up by engaging the National Bank of Kenya. They provided for us a service of revenue collection, and up to and when I left, they were still in office.
Sorry?
Up to and when I left, it was still the National Bank of Kenya.
There's a clip, Your Honor, that we would like to play in relation to his evidence. Once again, tap shot to the left.
No, this is the third day I'm calling him. He's not answering. Jana is the same. Wait, what is the problem with you? Why do you like ignoring my calls? Yesterday I called you 10 times. 10 times.
Continue.
I would like to play the contents. This clip.
And why you didn't return my call?
I returned for the phone.
Sijaona miss call yako.
I returned first in the morning when I do it.
Hiyo mambo ya Jambopay mimi sasa kusikia.
Okay.
Naona kuna plan mumbregeshe.
No, that's clear. You give direction.
Kuna hili wakati this president Nyusi alikuja Kenya.
Okay.
There is a Mozambican consultant ya mambo ya IT.
Yes.
He's ready to saidia free of charge your transition period.
Yes, sir.
The systems ile copycat na Cisco wanauzia sijui what.
Continue.
Nataka 95 million.
Yes, sir.
I don't want to hear that nonsense.
Okay.
Yeah, because we set aside over 100 million for VMware.
Yes.
Now the World Bank has chipped in.
True.
They have purchased all the VMware's softwares for us.
Yes, sir.
Now I think under your docket, some people, they want to be bright.
We are aware, sir.
They want to spend that money using some other corrupt means.
Yes.
That is nonsense.
True.
This guy is doing everything for free.
Yes.
Follow the law,
Yes.
do the right thing, have the VMA activated. Then now we migrate to either our own or depending on what you have advertised. You have to be extra strict because what happened in NHIF might also land here. Do not inherit problems which are not yours. There is a lot of resistance from the IT department, especially on life forms. We cannot be using a software system which has been there for the last 20 years. They don't want that system to be upgraded. So your life forms here, we know what they are doing. And I'm giving you another 10 days in Tawashika and Tawanika. So be strict with your work. You do the right thing after Kwanashida. So mkalie vitu vizuri. Your consultant amesema it is possible migration can take even less than a week. But your juniors are saying it will take 3 months. So we renew Jambopay by another 1 year and not be ready for that.
Sometimes what a problem is.
Yes.
And we are trying to remove those people connected to that problem.
Okay, so listen to those consultants, just give them your attention. Just muskize tu kwanza advice. Yeah, because even there's some cables ziko wamepata zimengolewa, za rates ziko nje. Education, I don't know what, so many things ziko nje zimengolewa, cables ziko kwa port zake. Who has done this?
We want to think that has something to do with the people called civil and copycat. But we have told them that because they have a warranty to us,
yes,
we want all those things activated. And I told them that yesterday must be activated before the end of the day.
Okay.
So that if it fails, it fails. Then I can be able to blame somebody directly.
Okay.
Yes, but we shall give you a brief minute to finish with the record.
Okay, you stamp authority, you do your job, make sure you follow the right thing.
I hear you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. But who are actually connected to officially ask for the data?
Yeah, because it's normal, so that you don't take some fake data.
Yes, so
yes.
We don't tell letter.
Yes.
Forwarded this to the cabinet to the county secretary.
Yes.
I've reminded her yesterday, I've reminded her again this morning. So I'm still waiting for that letter for me to be able to get the configured form.
You are getting the box from where?
Sorry?
You are getting the box from where?
What we had agreed is that they would give me a fully configured server.
When did the data transfer start?
Sorry?
When did the data transfer start?
What we had agreed is that we're going to upload all my data from Monday and give it to me in a configured server.
Yes.
Which then I hook up to my data center.
Hapo iko shida.
Sorry, sir?
Hapo iko shida. Tukianza ku divert your data,
Yes, sir.
it becomes suspicious. If we meet, whenever we meet, you have got good stories.
No, sir. This one I'm very clear in my mind.
But you know, I'm aware when we were together on Saturday,
Yes, sir.
they had already started taking it on to the cloud.
Jambopay?
Yes.
Not to my knowledge, sir.
It is. I'm telling you, this is intelligence which I have.
Yes, sir.
And I've put people kila mahali paka ofisi yako.
Yes, sir.
Paka ukenda kwa choto najua.
Yes, sir.
Sasa hapo iko mchezo hapo. Me, I want to give you the confidence and trust. Nimeshakuapisha. You now have 4 months as my minister, but I don't know where is the sabotage coming from.
I will do everything in my power.
Ama that mama has started interfering with our biashara account.
Correct.
Ama that mama of yours, your godmother, has started interfering with my county. She started sabotaging my running affairs of the county.
No, not to the best of my knowledge. Not to the best of my knowledge.
You see, but the message I have, they started the process yesterday. From from when was it 31st? When was it 31st? Was it on
4 days ago.
Yes, that is when they started.
what has happened,
Yes.
and this was the agreement, including with our consultant,
Yes.
is that we're supposed to do a data transfer to my data center. In addition, we were also supposed to
Actually, they were supposed to have started by 30 years.
Yes, sir. They were also supposed to give me or to
And
give
we're supposed to have an evaluation process of what was accomplished before the signing.
Yes.
Yes.
So what we had agreed, and we also were in agreement with the consultant, is that they were also supposed to give me a fully loaded server to my premises.
But you see, we have checked on the server.
Yes, sir.
And we haven't found anything there. It appears as if they're playing with us, sir. Because there is no data that was transferred.
Yeah, for the simple reason.
Who is Paul?
Sorry, sir?
Who is Paul? Paul from our team.
Paul Q was for us.
Paul Q is my suspect in another case. I'll send you a letter. He is a criminal, that guy. He's supposed to be in jail.
Okay.
Yes, they've been messing around with the rest company with the rest records. They are saying, where is the sabotage coming from? Huyo mtu ameiba, yes, I even have written a letter to the DCI. I've seen even the DCI myself, yes. Huyo Kiru ni mkola. You have somebody else?
Yes, we do.
Huyo nimemshika ameiba, ametapa na rates. Kuna huyo anaitwa Paul Kiru.
Yeah.
There is a guy called Joseph.
Yeah.
There is another guy I posted that later to a group what I'm pursuing. So the people who have been sabotaging my system, we are still using them. These are the same people ambao wanataka to upgrade life forms. We should get rid of these people. We must stamp authority, my friend. Era ya kuiba pesa ya umma ilikwisha. Yeah, that guy is a prisoner in waiting.
Okay. Hello?
Do you have his number? That Paul guy.
Yes, I do.
Hiyo mchezo wazidi mimi sitaki. Sasa nimeona hata wewe unanichezea. Maana sasa hata wewe unanichezea. Yes. No, because data ililetwa kufika 70% mkazima. Tena ikakuja tena 90% mkazima. What is this? Jambopay wanazima. Inaletwa inafika 70% wanazima. Ndio wabai time sasa we renew their contract by force.
That is not my understanding.
It is my understanding.
Yeah.
Have you seen a case whereby that Paul Kiru has been tampering with the rent system to deny the county the revenue?
Can I investigate that and get back to you?
I've already investigated the case.
Yeah.
I've already written to the DCI.
Yeah.
This team is very big. The cartel team is very big. And do not take the case to our investigation office there, because they are part of the sabotaging team that has been tampering with my efforts. Ya kupigana na hii ukora. Okay, what is the current process now on the data? What is the current progress?
Well, the process what we agreed with the consultant now. We're waiting for a letter so that we can officially have the data transferred to us using my server. And for me to be able to get my server ready, that letter has been written in the county secretary for the last 2.5 days.
Okay, so let me push the county secretary, but now we have nothing. We've just been pretending for the last 1 week. There's nothing that has come to our end.
Okay.
No, I think now I should come to that data center myself. I monitor everything now. Because you are the trusted minister in that particular department, but you are still playing with me, I think.
I go to that data center every single day. Today I've been there twice.
I'm finishing with the Chinese ambassador. I'm coming to the data center from today. I'll be there throughout until this process is finished.
Okay.
One is mine. The other one was my boss, called Mike Mbuvi Sonko.
Mike Mbuvi Sonko.
Yes.
Is it true that he was very stern in his clips, complaining about corruption, saying that he wouldn't tolerate that? Would you just explain very clearly what those conversations were about?
His concerns were about the fact that we were running a data system that was not giving him the results that he requires. It was my job, therefore, make
First, just go slowly.
His concerns.
were the fact that we had a data center that was not being able to give him the information he required to run his job. My task.
Too fast. Pause after every one sentence. I'm recording every single word.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Newton.
Yes, sir. His concerns.
Pause.
From my understanding, is that he had a machine that was not giving him results to make decisions. And hence, the altercation that you've had. My job was to give him that machine for him to do his job. To give him a machine for him to do his job.
What kind of machine?
Data, the management of data is a very complicated exercise.
Answer, please. Assist me.
Okay, sir.
When you're talking about a machine, umeuliza umeruka umeende data na machine, hata kama I'm not in ICT, they are not one and the same. So, what machine? In court, assist us kindly.
Yes.
Ukikuja hapa msiongee. Sawa? So, what machine?
Data center.
So, data center is equivalent to machine.
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
not in ICT.
Well, you will find very
Data
many.
center and machine is the same.
Yes, there is.
Data center is not a system. All right. All right. Kindly select words deliberately, intentionally. Sawa.
Okay.
Usitupe. Because for us, we take serious.
Guided.
Anyone. Sawa.
Guided.
Usitupe.
Guided.
Endelee. I'll continue.
That would be all. Your Honor, if maybe I would like for the second clip to be marked as MFI 72. Yes, and then I would like to present it and produce those documents later. Allow me to stand him down for a few minutes so I can present the other documentation that will enable me to produce those clips on his behalf. You can take the next witness step already.
Ability. We had very little control, and it became difficult for us to ascertain anything. And he wanted something that was visible to all of us. And I think that's why he was bitter.
Not too fast.
I think,
When I say too fast, force.
sorry, I courts are very intimidating, so.
Sorry?
Courts are very intimidating.
Breathe in and out.
Are you talking about structures or that should not be the case. They are not here to intimidate you, Mr. Newton. Mr. Newton,
Yes, sir.
we are not here to intimidate. If we intimidate you, we may not get to the justice we desire.
True.
So don't feel intimidated at all. And that has never been the purpose of courts. It has never.
Appreciated.
And he wanted, I stopped at,
He wanted a system that was accountable, open, and accessible.
open, accountable,
And accessible.
accessible.
Yes. What we found was something else. So I guess that is why he went to war against me. So,
He went,
not war. I was his appointed minister, and he needed answers. I had to find them.
Tell the court who was collecting revenue at the time.
We found a company called WebDrive who are in charge of collecting revenue contracted by the previous administration. And what was strange,
after every sentence, a reminder.
Slowly.
It was strange.
because they would collect revenue, pay themselves, and give you the balance. Mike did not want to hear that.
There's a lot of unsaid things. I can see you.
No, sir.
Your body language speaks so many things. What comes out of your mouth is so little. Mr. Newton,
Yes, sir.
is that true or untrue? Now look at me as I say.
I do,
look
sir.
at me when testify.
Yeah, I do,
Is
sir.
that true or untrue?
It is not correct.
Oh, it's not correct. What I'm saying. The question needs to give up.
Well,
Continue. Don't belabor with that question.
okay.
Continue.
So moving on,
Yes.
Mike made news about it.
Sorry?
Mike made news about it.
So who is Mike?
Use appropriate words.
Sorry, sir. Sorry. Mike Mbuvi Sonko.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
So the then governor,
Yes.
what do you mean by making noise?
One, the PFMA Act. It was against.
You understand my question?
Yes, I
What do
do.
you mean when you say made a lot of noise.
He was loud. So don't get me into trouble.
Huh?
No, he was loud.
Continue.
It was against the act. So it came to cabinet. And we chose by consensus to involve the National Bank of Kenya and terminate WebTrade. And that's what we did.
Body language, Mr. Newton. Unfortunately, I can't record your body language. You understand? Unfortunately, I'm unable.
Sorry, sir.
Yes.
My apologies.
So verbalize whatever you want to tell the court instead of substituting me. You understand? This court is unable.
Yes, sir.
So I'll continue. Please watch me.
I want to take you back to the statement you made just now. You confirmed just a while ago that they first pay themselves
Yes.
and then remit the revenue to the county government.
Yes.
I want you to read this count 9, Your Honor, of the charge sheet. Count 9. I want you to read from this part to this part. Count 9.
Between or about 13th April 2019 and 30th April 2019 in Nairobi City County, within the Republic of Kenya, being the governor of Nairobi City County government, in abuse of your office, improperly conferred a benefit to yourself by demanding 10 million shillings from Multimillion Limited through ROG Security Limited as an inducement to facilitate payments to Webtribe Limited by Nairobi City County government.
So what say you in light of what you've just testified about? Is it
You've
possible?
given me something. It is ridiculous that they are still owed money today. And yet you want to tell us that somebody who terminates your contract is demanding money from you. Really?
And so as I proceed towards the end,
Yes.
was that issue subsequently resolved,
In terms of,
and how the issues of visibility, were they resolved eventually,
yes, the why, Your Honor.
and how?
We terminated the agreement. We went to another government agency, who is the National Bank of Kenya Limited. And for as far as I know, they ran the system for the next 5 years.
Now my last question. You explain to the court very systematically how the system of Webtribe was working.
Your Excellency, it will be difficult.
In simple terms.
And it is because we didn't have visibility to it. We didn't have control of it. So they simply came, they ran a system, and they gave us a result. We had no sight for audit. We couldn't.
indicated there was a meeting, a cabinet meeting, where these issues were resolved. When was this?
Roughly maybe about 2 months after taking it work. I can't remember exactly.
Face the court.
Sorry, sir.
Louder. When was it?
Do you have the date or the duration of this meeting?
It should have been just about February or March
In which year?
2019.
It was an official meeting. Correct.
Yes, it was.
So minutes and the necessary documentations were taken.
Yes, it was.
However, the same have not been appealed to this court.
Sorry.
Confirm what you are talking about. The same are not before us.
Oh. I'm sure, sir, they do exist. I didn't know I was going to be called upon to produce them. If I did, I would have come with them.
So they're not before court. You've not been led in that respect. You've not
No,
made reference to them in your testimony today. That's what I'm asking.
no.
You also indicated there was termination of the Red Tribe's contract.
Yes, there was.
Was this done through a letter?
I would want to believe so.
So you are not aware how the termination was effected?
Usually, sir, the communication is normally done through the county secretary's office. So, and the county attorney.
As you said, you don't know whether a termination letter was issued.
No, but we no longer enjoy the service.
You've indicated NBK, National Bank of Kenya, was replaced the services of the tribe.
Yes.
At what stage was this done? When was that done?
Around March, I think, about there.
Which year?
2019.
So as of March 2019, Web Tribe ceased offering the services of revenue collection. Is that
Yes.
the position?
Yes, it is.
Save for the bank, were there any other provider of these services?
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Save for NBK, did any other entity provide these services?
Which one? Revenue collection?
Yes.
Not to the best of my knowledge, no.
And just for clarity, which organ or which department of the county was this service domiciled? Was it your ministry or someone else's ministry?
My ministry?
So you are the procuring entity
Yes.
for that service.
Yes.
Did you have sight of the contract for this service?
Yes, I did.
When was the contract executed?
I would have to refer, but I think it was around March. If I'm not wrong.
For which year?
2019.
That was the date of execution of the contract.
I believe so. I could refer.
And how long was the duration of the service?
5 years.
So when was it lapsed?
I believe 2022, 2023, about that.
The contract had obligations and it had specifics. Do you know the specifics in terms of what was percentages were to be paid to each party?
Yes, I do.
What were they?
I think it was 4.5 or something like that
4.5 of what?
of collection.
That was payable to which party?
National Bank of Kenya.
I'm talking about the contract between the county and that tribe.
I was not inside of that, so sorry, I can't tell you that.
So did you see the contract between Web Tribe and the county?
Sorry?
Did you have sight of the contract between the Web Tribe company and your county?
No, what we had was an SLA.
Service level agreement.
Yes.
So there was no contract.
Could have been there. Maybe the county secretary or the county attorney.
Yourself, did you have sight of a contract between these two parties?
No, I didn't.
You did not.
No.
It was your ministry
Yes.
which was implementing,
Yes.
and you didn't have sight of this contract.
No, I didn't.
Did you know how long WebTop had been engaged?
To be fair, no.
Do you know the terms of the engagement?
I don't.
Were you aware of the payment requirements between the parties?
Okay.
The aspects of payment. Were you aware how much WebTribe in particular was to be paid?
No, that would normally be handled by finance.
Finance.
Yes.
This contract fell within your domain because you are line.
Yes, it was.
Who was the accounting officer for that? Effecting the one who was to effect payments. Who was the accounting officer?
He is the chief officer, normally. He's equivalent to a PS.
Within your ministry.
Yes.
So were you aware how payments were to be effected yourself as the head of that ministry?
Roughly, yes.
But you don't have the specifics.
No,
What percentages was accruing or owing to the workshop?
I think it was about 4 point something.
Do you know the exact?
No, I don't.
You don't.
No, I don't.
Lastly, there were rights, access rights,
Yes,
which were granted to a number of the council officials.
true.
So they could enter the system and see what was being collected.
They could view the system, not enter the system. There's a big
View.
difference.
They could view the system.
Yes.
So it's incorrect to say you had no, the system was not open or it was not accessible.
Sir, you can only view what the owner wants you to see. When I talk about access, I mean access. What does it do? Construction, what does it happen? When you just give me a system to view, it's like Windows.
This was a third-party company which was implementing, rather collecting revenue, right?
It was.
Did you want to access it and work around the details of, or what do you mean by
Naturally, you cannot account for something you can't see.
Did you have sight of
Don't forget.
transactions?
We had only got into office 2 months.
That's okay. Did the county officials have
Yes.
sight? Did they have power to access what was in the system?
No, they don't.
They didn't.
No.
So what was the access rights for?
They could see what is posted.
What is posted?
Yes.
So county officials could access the system. They could see what had been posted in the system.
Yeah.